Smile to the camera.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, so just spray. So that's World 3 primer. Just give it a good shake. And we'll put some.
It's hard to breathe through these.
They aren't.
Don't really get hung over and feel like it's sick. It's really what you need.
No.
Like that?
Yeah, just where the silver is. Perfect. Just because we want to weld there, but that, you know, that it won't be protected. We've put Weld through primer. Where we busy ground this down so it's neat and flat. And we use Weld through primer. So, because a lot of people will be thinking, why are they trying to paint? Why are they trying to weld through paint? Alex's mum is a sculptor, and that's why she does a lot of whining, a lot of grinding and welding.
What a feeling.
Steady. Yeah, she's also a bit of a show.
Also very hungry. Lunchtime.
Okay. Yeah, so we've tacked that plate in. We had a problem with the gas. It wasn't actually coming through. It went down to 0. Don't know
The
why.
gas feed wasn't working properly, so instead of making nice tidy blobs, it was like burning holes and burning everything.
Yeah, it made a bit of a mess, but
Yeah.
we'll grind those off. They're only to tack it in place so we can work out the shape of the floor. And we've tacked this in down here. And we're going to put the floor base in as well, just to make sure it all lines up. And we'll put the other side in as well, just so we can be 100% sure it's all going to fit together. And I'm just going to tack it all in place so we can build everything else around it. And we'll come back in a minute.
Is there nothing they can't do?
So it's tea time again in the Shed of Dreams. And we've got the tonics out again. We did actually have some orange clubs, but I think I must have eaten them all. Anyway.
Highly likely.
Yep. Who ate all the pies? I did.
So being that this is the first day I've actually seen this car with my own eyes, I feel slightly like running off into the hills and never coming back again. You know what I really like about this car?
What?
It's a really amazing shape. Anyway, I think we need to get that entire boot area done right now so that Alex gets really annoyed.
When this car's built, the dirt, when we took that plate off, it was full of dirt and mud between the two skins, because they put nothing, they haven't sealed. So it's right below the axle. All the mud and water goes up between the boot skin and the
body,
the bulkhead, the rear bulkhead. Because
stupidity.
I don't think it's stupidity. That's someone being lazy and going, oh well, you know. I'm sure
someone else's problem in 50 years' time.
I'm sure their butlers will be under there cleaning it with a.
Is this Downton Abbey?
This doesn't actually go up against the side of the car, the aluminium. You have to build alloy plates and steel plates under there to stop the water going up into the boot, which usually rot, which is why the boots end up in such a state. So obviously not welded in yet, and that you can see it doesn't quite fit properly at the moment. But the measurements from here to here and here to here are right. That all needs to move in because you can see there's a massive gap there. But now you can see that once this moves that way, this is starting to fit. We know this one fits, so we just need to keep moving around. And the main thing is, as long as this is in the right position from here, from there to there, which it is at the moment, it's just twisted. This panel is really twisted. If I lift it up, you'll see it pop down in the corner. It's just twisted. So, doesn't that look amazing? It will look amazing once it's all welded in. Oh man. Not you as well.
Sorry.
Oh, I wonder why you're sneaking around. Oh, that is so cold. Oh, we're gonna have to replace that part, I think.
Probably.
Yeah, we'll come.
Christ.